Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Linear for streamlined product development workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Linear app, hit enter and navigate to the official Linear website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the download process. On the next page, you will see options for downloading Linear. Select the appropriate version based on your operating system. If you are using macOS, click on the macOS download link. For Windows users, choose the Windows download option. After clicking the download button, wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Select your preferred installation settings when prompted. After the installation is finished, you will see the Linear application icon on your desktop. Double-click the Linear icon to launch the application. You may be prompted to create an account or sign in. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are new to Linear, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. Once logged in, you can explore the various features available. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to optimize your workflow. Start setting up your projects and teams to make the most of Linear. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Linear for your product development workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.